Now, one very common problem that is generally asked in parabolas is, suppose we have 3 points on parabola. Suppose we have A, B, and suppose we have another point which is C. Suppose that's your point C and it is given by A T3 square and then twice A T3. Now we draw tangent at C also. So now we have two triangles. One, this triangle ABC, and this other triangle which is triangle formed by point of intersection of tangents. So the question which is generally asked is the ratio of areas of triangle formed by the points and the area formed by points of intersection. So for this we need two results. First result is we need to find area of this triangle ABC. So here we have A, which is AT1 square twice AT1, B, which is AT2 square twice AT2, and C, which is AT3 square twice AT3, and then we'll find area of this triangle ABC. So area of this triangle ABC, it is 1 by 2 and then AT1 square twice AT1 and 1, AT2 square twice AT2 and 1, AT3 square twice AT3 and 1. Now from this first column we'll take A common, and from the second column we'll take 2A common, and then we'll use R1 as R1 minus R2 and R2 as R2 minus R3. So we'll write this area of triangle ABC as, and we'll need to take their modulus value, because this value, it has to be, area should be positive. So 2 and 2 will cancel. So we'll get it as A square, and then here we'll get T1 square minus T2 square, T1 minus T2 0, T2 square minus T3 square, T2 minus T3 and 0, and this is T3 square, T3 and 1. Now from this first row we can take T1 minus T2 common, and from this second row we'll take T2 minus T3 common. So we can write this area as A square and then T1 minus T2 and T2 minus T3, and then we'll have T1 plus T2 1 0, T2 plus T3 1 0, T3 square, T3 and 1. Now we'll expand it about this third column. So we'll expand, then T2 will cancel, we'll get T1 minus T3. So we can write this result as, so area of this triangle ABC, it will be A square and then it is T1 minus T2, T2 minus T3 and then T1 minus T3 with a mod sign. So that is the area of this triangle ABC. Now we'll find the area of triangle formed by point of intersection of tangents. Suppose this is P, this is Q and this is R. Now P is A T1 T2, A T1 plus T2. Now what about Q? Q is point of intersection at C and at B. So it will be A T2 T3 and A T2 plus T3. And the same way we can write it for R, and R is point of intersection of C and A. So it will be A T3 T1, A T3 plus T1. So now we'll need to find area of this triangle PQR. So area of this triangle PQR will be 1 by 2 and then it is A T1 T2, A T1 plus T2 and 1, A T2 T3, A T2 plus T3 and then 1, A T3 T1, A T3 plus T1 and then 1, and then its modulus value. So from this first column we'll take A common, and from the second column also we'll take A common, and again we'll do R1 as R1 minus R2 and R2 as R2 minus R3. So we can write this area of triangle PQR as 1 by 2 A square, and then here we'll have, so here we'll take T2 common, so it'll be T1 minus T3, and here also will be T1 minus T3 0. Here we'll take T3 common, it'll be T2 minus T1, T2 minus T1 and 0, and then it'll be T3 T1, T3 plus T1 and then 1. So here we can take T1 minus T3 common, and here we'll take T2 minus T1 common, and then we'll expand about this third column. So we'll get this result as area of triangle PQR, and this is 1 by 2 into A square, and here we have T1 minus T3, T2 minus T1, and if we'll expand about this third column, we'll get T2 minus T3 and its modulus value. So now we have area of this triangle ABC, and we also have area of this triangle PQR. Now we need to find ratio of areas of triangle ABC upon ratio of areas of triangle PQR. So if we'll take this result, it is A square and then T1 minus T2, T2 minus T3, T3 minus T1, and here it is A square by 2, T1 minus T3, T2 minus T1 and T2 minus T3. So A square, T1 minus T3, T2 minus T1 and T2 minus T3 will cancel. So we'll get this result as simply 2. So it's a very standard result, which is area of the triangle formed by 3 points on parabola is 2 times the area of triangle formed by points of intersection of tangents at these 3 given points. Now here the question is, consider the parabola y square equals 8x. Let delta 1 be the area of triangle formed by the endpoints of its latest rectum and the point 1 by 2, 2. Now we'll put x as 1 by 2, we'll get y as 2. So that means this point P, it lies on this parabola. So we have a point P, and then we have endpoints of latest rectum, and we have this triangle. Suppose this triangle is PQR. And P is 1 by 2, 2. And let delta 2 be the area of triangle formed by drawing tangents at P and at the endpoints of latest rectum. So we are drawing tangents at P, Q, and we are drawing tangents at R. So this is delta 2. We need to find ratio of delta 1 upon delta 2. So this is standard result. We have proved in one of our videos that ratio of area of triangle formed by the points to area of triangle formed by points of intersection of tangents is simply 2. So answer to this question is simply